Hey everybody, Brian Horvath here. I want to help you use LinkedIn for your maximum effectiveness. And I really want to share with you the fact that many people use LinkedIn or have the wrong attitude about LinkedIn. They're looking about what is in it for them and how they can just have people knock on their door 24/7, inviting them to connect or offering them opportunities, whether to work for somebody or to be partnered with or to have some kind of stake in a company or in an organization, or maybe even being asked to be in a high profile, high level volunteer opportunity. But LinkedIn doesn't necessarily work like that. Kind of like the world, right? You put in or you get out what you put in. And the same thing with LinkedIn. And so no different in the social media platform where over 7 million, let's say that again. 700 million people are on this platform. And if you're going to use it well, you need to learn how to maximize your effectiveness. And what I'm going to share with you in this little YouTube video will help you do just that. So let's take a look here. There are two main purposes for LinkedIn, not one, not three, but two. The two main purposes will really rock your world, rock your level of engagement, rock your level of effectiveness, maximum effectiveness within the platform if you know these two main purposes. The problem is not enough people know about them. Let's be real here. If everyone succeeds on LinkedIn, it'll be a better place. Yeah, we want to have a competitive advantage, but we want people to succeed. We want the right connections being made, the right work getting done, the right partnerships happening. That's the kind of attitude we all should be having, we all need to have. And so what is the first main purpose, Brian? The first main purpose is that you want to use LinkedIn in a proactive way. You want to take your profile and make it in a way that's going to be attractive to others. So when you go out into LinkedIn to connect with other people, they'll want to connect with you. They'll want to see what you have to offer. They'll want to see how they can partner with you, how they can get to know you, build a relationship with you, network with you. But it requires you to do the work. You have to do the work. You have to put in the work. You have to go out there and connect with people, which means you have to go searching effectively. You have to learn how to use the platform effectively. You need to have the right settings done effectively. You need to have the right wisdom and understanding of where you want to go in the LinkedIn universe and all those kinds of things. And so having a game plan, having an idea will help you connect with the right people, the people of influence that you want to be influenced by maybe, or those that you want to influence, as well as discovering those opportunities. It could be, like I said earlier, a job. It could be a career change. It could be a nonprofit opportunity. It could be you wanting to volunteering in a major way to use your gifts and passions, tools, and resources that I believe God has provided you with to go out and change the world. Whatever the case may be, you have to take a proactive approach. You cannot sit on your hands. Let's call it that. Okay, you cannot sit on your hands waiting for people to reach out to you. You need to be proactive and go after them. And that's a lot of stuff of what I coach and teach and share in other videos, that you need to have a target. You need to have a reason why you're on the platform today, so you can stop wasting time with the platform like many people do. They're going, please, will someone connect with me? Please, will the right opportunities come my way? I'm just waiting. Well, it sounds like you might be patient, or you might just be lazy. I don't know, or afraid. I get that. But get out there and actively, proactively engage. Now, check this out. Once you do that, you can work even harder or more. It can be more a maximum effectiveness. Number two really comes into play. The second main purpose of LinkedIn comes into play when you are putting yourself out there first. And the second is people and opportunities will connect with you. Read that one time. Hear me again. People and opportunities will connect with you. When you've done the work on your profile, when you've done what it takes to invest into coming up with the right keyword strategy, coming up with the right cover profile or cover photo, profile photo, when you're engaging and you're smiling and you're excited about life and you're communicating your brand well, then while you sleep, while you rest, while you're out selling or serving other clients or whatever the case may be, people and opportunities connect with you. They find you. And I share about other videos, some secret kind of slogans and some frameworks and some mindsets, philosophies, if you will, that'll help people really want to take another step with you. But you have to do the work to put yourself in a way that's going to catch the wave of people that are looking for someone like you. someone that can solve their problems, right? So way number two, people and opportunities will also connect with you. That's the other main purpose. And that makes the whole LinkedIn universe go around. Yes, it's built on algorithms and it's built on databases and it's got a nice graphical interface and all that stuff. But at the end of the day, if people and opportunities aren't connecting with each other, then LinkedIn's a dead platform. Make it be a liar for you. Let it be a liar for you. Use the two main purposes for LinkedIn. You'll be glad that you did, and you'll be maximizing your effectiveness on the platform. Hey, Brian Horvath. You can learn more about me at brianhorvath.com. You can even check out my ebook, brianhorvath.com/book, where you can download the book I wrote called Your Purpose, How to Know It, Live It, and Love It. And I bet when you do that, you'll be ready to maximize your effectiveness on LinkedIn even more because you have a reason why you're there. Know, live, and love your purpose, people.